What's the meaning of corp? Corp. Corp.
Corp. Corp. Corp is an abbreviation commonly used to refer to a corporation, which is a type of business entity that is separate from its owners and has many legal rights and responsibilities. The term corp is often included in the name of a corporation and is used to denote its status as a legal entity. Corporations are typically formed for the purpose of generating profit for their shareholders while limiting their liability. They can issue stocks, borrow money, enter into contracts, and sue or be sued in their own name.